If you're here to learn how to drain your cold therapy pad, you've landed in the perfect spot. Hi, it's Steve from My Cold Therapy and Supply Cold Therapy, where we help people get back to living. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and all the links to everything we mentioned in the video, which you can find linked in the description box below. Now let's jump right into it.
Now we're ready to show you how to drain and clean your cold therapy pad. Please note that this works for the Donjoy Clear 3 system, the Classic 3 system, the Ossur systems, as well as the Breg Glacier, Cube, and Kodiak systems. So the first thing you're going to want to do is disconnect your pad from the cooler hose. Once you've done that, you're going to want to take your hose connectors and connect them on the end of the pad. And if you don't have hose connectors, you'll need to press down these black tabs while you hold the pad over the sink. There will be a link in the description box if you would like to purchase these. Also, please note that with the Kodiak pads, you only need one of the hose connectors, not two. So we're going to take our hose connectors and attach them to the end of the pad. And make sure when you're doing this, you do want the end of the pad hanging over the sink. Now, once you've got your hose connectors in place, as you can see, the water should start coming out immediately. You're also going to want to take the pad and kind of roll it. So it's pushing the water to the hose, which is forcing it out of the hose connectors. And also, please note that you may want to do this 2 or 3 times just to get as much water out as possible. Now, once you've completed this part, you are going to want to take a sanitary wipe and wipe down the part of the pad that goes towards your skin to make sure that it is clean and sanitary. Once you've gotten your pad drained and clean to your liking, you're ready to store it in a clean, dry place.
Now that you know how to clean your cold therapy pad, let us know in the comment section below if you found this video helpful. Do give us a like, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and let's get back to living.